Hey everyone, I'm Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com and welcome to another episode in our PC Masterclass series. Now today we're talking about Windows 10 and how to reset it back to factory defaults. Now it is worth noting that there might be quite pivotal times in running a computer system where you may need to take it back to factory defaults. This could be through, having a virus, having malware, or simply just wanting to have a clean start. Windows 10, like any other operating system, gathers a lot of general clutter as time goes on that can impede its speed and functionality. Unnecessary processes which drain your memory, useless files taking up space, bad drivers, software conflicts, bloatware, you name it. While this step isn't always needed and there are ways of targeting and solving these issues without resorting to this, resetting your computer to its factory defaults will clean everything and give you a nice fresh slate to install things one by one, without all the junk that you may have picked up over time. To initiate this process, first click on the Start menu search bar and type Reset. You'll see the Reset this PC option appear. Click on that and you've found the reset window. Alternatively, clicking on the Start icon, then clicking the Settings icon, and simply scrolling down to Update and Security. Clicking here, then on Recovery will also bring you to the same step. Once you get on the Get Started under Reset this PC, you'll be given the option to either keep your files or remove everything. Selecting Keep My Files will keep all of your documents, photos, movies, and so on. It will uninstall all of your programs, however, so make sure you can reacquire the ones that you want to install. Helpfully, any Windows Store apps you had installed will automatically be reinstalled as part of the reset process. This is the best option if you want to clear out the junk without losing your personal data. The Remove Everything option will not only remove your programs, but also all of your personal data and files along with them. This will act to give you a completely blank slate, with the exception that if your computer came bundled with Windows 10 at purchase, programs that came pre-installed on your PC will still be there. If you select this option, you'll be asked if you want to remove your files or remove your files and clean the drive. The second option takes a long time and has in mind a scenario where you're giving your computer to someone else and want them to have a hard time recovering any of your data. The Restore Factory Settings option, if you see it, will not only remove all of your applications and personal files, but also downgrade your Windows back to Windows 8 or 8.1 if they were installed prior to Windows 10. Again, programs that were pre-installed when you bought your PC will be retained. So it is worth noting that if that's a scenario for you, then where it will take you back to either Windows 8 or 8.1, you will have to do the Windows 10 update again. Whichever option you choose, after a final round of warnings, you'll be able to press the reset button to get the process started. Again, you shouldn't need to do this often, but I don't know, I kind of like doing it. It's one of them things that makes everything feel fresh and new again. Well, at least until I start installing all the software again, which then of course slows it back down. But if you do have a PC that's maybe in a little bit of trouble, this could be a good way to give it that fresh burst of life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let us know in the comments section below. And if you do like these PC Masterclass videos, please let us know as well. Give us a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe and click that little bell icon. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. See you later.